Becoming the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Manipur today. This is his third visit to the state since last year's violence that erupted, and Congress MP will be meeting the violence-affected people in relief camps. His first stop that will be in Silchar, and from there on he will be travelling to Jiribam district, where fresh violence broke out about a month ago. As far as his visit that is now concerned, that has now sparked a political controversy as well, because just days before his trip, Rahul Gandhi highlighted the Manipur crisis during his speech in the Lok Sabha while participating in the debate on the motion of thanks to the president's address. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi said. Of course, a portion of the speech that was not expunged.
मणिपुर को आपने सिविल वॉर में डुबा दिया है। मणिपुर को आपने और आपकी योजनाओं ने, आपकी पॉलिटिक्स ने जला दिया है, और आज तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री मणिपुर नहीं गए हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री के लिए मणिपुर स्टेट ही नहीं है। मणिपुर में सिविल वॉर हो ही नहीं रही है। और एक बार बयान दिया हमने, मतलब प्रेशर लगाया, हम गए, हमने प्रधानमंत्री से कहा एक मैसेज दे दीजिए, मणिपुर चले जाइए, जनता की वहां रक्षा कीजिए। नहीं, मैं वहां गया, कुकीज और मेहते से दोनों से मिला। इसको अभी आंसर नहीं देंगे, आज तक नहीं, आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, मिल नहीं सकता। मणिपुर इनके लिए हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश ही नहीं है। मणिपुर है ही नहीं, मणिपुर है ही नहीं, ना होम मिनिस्टर के लिए ना प्रधानमंत्री के लिए, है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, वो है ही नहीं। ना प्रधानमंत्री जाएंगे बोलेंगे कुछ नहीं, जैसे कुछ नहीं हुआ वहां पे। मैं रिलीफ कैंप में गया, एक औरत कांपती हुई, रोती हुई मुझे कहती है कि मैंने अपनी आंखों के सामने, हाँ मैं औरतों की बात कर सकता हूं,
एक भाई
मैं कर सकता हूं,
एक भाई कर्तव्य निभा रहा है।
आप अपने संगठन में महिलाओं को नहीं डांटे हो, मगर मैं औरतों की बात कर सकता हूं।
हम सभी को राजनीति से ऊपर उठ करके वहां की स्थिति को सामान्य बनाने में सहयोग करना चाहिए, ये हम सबका कर्तव्य है। आदरणीय सभापति जी, जो भी तत्व मणिपुर की आग में घी डालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मैं उनसे आगाह करता हूं कि ये हरकतें बंद करें। एक समय आएगा मणिपुर ही उनको रिजेक्ट करने वाला है, ऐसे लोगों को। आदरणीय सभापति जी, जो लोग मणिपुर के इतिहास को जानते हैं, मणिपुर की घटनाक्रम को जानते हैं, उनको पता है कि वहां का सामाजिक संघर्ष का एक लंबा इतिहास रहा है। उस संघर्ष की मानसिकता की जड़ें बहुत गहरी हैं, इसको कोई नकार नहीं सकता है। और कांग्रेस के लोग ये न भूले कि मणिपुर में इन्हीं कारणों से 10 बार राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाना पड़ा है। इतने छोटे से राज्य में 10 बार प्रेसिडेंशियल रूल लगाना पड़ा है, राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाना पड़ा है। कुछ तो मुसीबतें होगी, और ये हमारे कार्यक्रम में नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन फिर भी राजनीतिक फायदा उठाने के लिए वहां पर जिस प्रकार की हरकतें हो रही है।
The Congress is clearly looking to build pressure on the ruling dispensation over handling of its crisis situation that continues in the state of Manipur. The message that is being sent out by the Congress MP, standing with the people of the state which have been neglected according to them. And the Congress has also repeatedly spoken about how the Prime Minister has not been visiting Manipur since May last year when the violence broke out, and he's not been speaking much on the issue. However, the BJP is calling this as Gandhi signs selective sympathy, asking that why he cannot see the injustices that are meted out against the people in the states that are being ruled by the allies, by the India bloc, referring to the recently the Hooch tragedy and the BSP state president's murder in Tamil Nadu in Chennai, and the public floggings that have been taking place, especially of women in West Bengal.
राहुल जी ही जाएंगे, प्रधानमंत्री की तो लोग इंतजार करके बैठे हैं वहां, तो जाना है राहुल जी को ही आखिर, क्योंकि राहुल जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनना है, हम बनाएंगे।
राहुल गांधी को ये समझना चाहिए कि बंगाल के अंदर जिस प्रकार का माहौल चल रहा है, बंगाल में रोज हत्याएं हो रही हैं, बंगाल में राजनीतिक कार्यकर्ताओं को प्रताड़ित किया जा रहा है। मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी को बंगाल जाकर के वो हिम्मत करें और बंगाल जाकर के जो इंडी की पार्टनर हैं ममता बनर्जी और तृणमूल कांग्रेस के उस राज्य में जाकर के देखें वहां क्या हो रहा है।
On the morning news hour debate, let's welcome Mr. Rajagopalan joining us, sir. Good morning, namaskar to you. We have Saif Khan ji also joining us, sir. Good morning, namaskar to you as well. Saif Khan ji, as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, वो हाथरस जाते हैं, अहमदाबाद जाते हैं, अब मणिपुर जाएंगे, but वो तमिलनाडु नहीं जाते, sir. He doesn't go to West Bengal either. Those questions now being raised by the BJP.
राहुल गांधी जी हर जगह जाते हैं. Let me be very honest and very clear. Tamil Nadu, local leaders has already visited those affected places, and now what we see in regards to the Manipur, from May last year, PM Modi ji has completely neglected the state, and that what we all have seen in the quite recent election of Manipur. Both the seats were lost by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Congress MPs are being elected. Why? After being 221 people being killed there, 60,000 people displaced, about 11,000 people being injured, 32 still missing, about 800 crores revenues of losses in the state. Modi ji nahi jayenge, magar jo hai. Modi ji is occupied to go to Russia, Australia. Modi ji never has a plan to go to the Manipur. Why is that? Why is Bharatiya Janata Party jo is claiming for all of the states and just putting down fingers to Indian National Congress ki ye visit nahi karte, wo visit nahi karte hain? Why मोदी जी जो है सिर्फ बाहर के फॉरेन ट्रिप्स करते हैं? उनको इतनी फुर्सत नहीं है कि जाके जो मणिपुर जो एक निगलेक्टेड स्टेट है कि खुद जाके विजिट कर सकें. अमित शाह जी को एक दिन के लिए भेजा था, और एक दिन के बाद जो है वो भी इसलिए भेजा था कि वो 1993 का जो है वाकया जो है का जिक्र करिए, रिपीटेट करें उसे जो है. He doesn't have time to go to the Manipur.
Why more likely कि जाएं तो मुसीबत, ना जाएं तो मुसीबत. What is the state as far as when it comes to, of course, Rahul Gandhi being the leader of opposition, he's free to anywhere, go across anywhere in the country and speak and interact with the people. But is there selective sympathy on part of it?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has explained in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha both that 10 times Congress imposed president's rule. Rahul Gandhi should answer to that. Rahul Gandhi should also think that no fake narratives. He cannot be an enemy's leader. He is opposition leader. He is a prime ministerial candidate, and moreover, he should not become a laughing stock. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a fake narrator, and he is an entertainer. He is a joker in the politics, because I covered politics for more than 40 years in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So therefore, Rahul Gandhi is a joker. He has no time to visit Mr.
No, but he is the leader of the opposition, Rajagopalan, sir. Even when it comes to the Congress inner Manipur MP, Mr. Bipul Akoijam, he had also expressed his anguish over the absence of any reference to ethnic violence in the state, while he was also speaking on, the violence hit Manipur state, and he wasn't given enough time to speak on it. Those are the allegations being leveled.
Allegations are false. Mr. Amit Shah replied for 3 hours. Mr. Amit Shah and Nityananda Rai went there to Manipur for 3 days. They stayed. And moreover, why Congress has not, answered about 10 times during Manmohan Singh's time and P.V. Narasimha Rao's time, they imposed president's rule. Why they are not talking about it? And second thing, Rahul Gandhi is a bestie, not an opposition leader. He is the enemy leader. And moreover, he considers that Tamil Nadu is the enemy.
I would like to answer.
Right, coming to you, Saifji.
Enemy. And moreover, Rahul Gandhi has become a big political joker in the country.
Sir, message क्या है, मकसद क्या है when it comes to Rahul Gandhi visiting Hathras where a tragedy happens, visiting Ahmedabad in Gujarat, we have seen tragedies happening there, visiting Manipur for the third time, मकसद क्या है?
Master political tourism. He wants to put आग लगा
Saif Khan ji, please.
आग लगा देंगे. That is what Mr. Rahul Gandhi thinks. He does not understand that Narendra Modi has been elected with 240 MPs.
And I have to watch this tape recording.
No, Saif Khan ji, sir, you have to also respond. Have there not been any tragedies reported or any injustices happening to people when it comes to states of Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, sir? हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए. Do you believe that tragedies have occurred there also? Recently, the BSP unit chief, right outside his residence, was hacked, sir.
See, listen, I've firstly mentioned that, our local leaders from the state...
No, but why no Rahul Gandhi? Why no Rahul Gandhi? Why no Rahul Gandhi? Local leaders need, sir. Why no Rahul Gandhi? Why no Rahul Gandhi, sir?
Let me tell you, I think the people of Manipur has already given the answer in this Lok Sabha election, right? By losing both the seats of Bharatiya Janata Party, I think...
No, sir. Saif Khan ji, why no Rahul Gandhi expressing when it comes to condolences and also saying that he will visit the people of the Hooch tragedy?
No answer.
Absolutely, he's going to visit everywhere. Rahul Gandhi has already visited many places, including Hathras, जहाँ if you remember last time एक बच्ची को जो है पेट्रोल डाल के पुलिस वालों ने आग लगाया था. And let me put down the
West Bengal का क्या? What about Paschim Bengal? What about Paschim Bengal? The public flogging of a couple that has happened, sir, वो अभी महिलाओं का issue raise करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं in Parliament. क्या वो महिलाएं नहीं है West Bengal में जिन्हें दिन दिहाड़े पीटा गया था? No, Saif Khan ji, please come to the point, sir. What about the women? What about the public flogging that happened in West Bengal?
Absolutely, हम जो हर जगह के ऊपर गए हैं, हम लोग के प्रतिनिधि जो है हर जगह के ऊपर
प्रतिनिधि नहीं, sir. That's the point, Rajagopalan sir. It's not about the Pratinidhi. It is not about the representatives. It is about Rahul Gandhi that we are speaking. The leader of the opposition makes it a point that he will go visit people in Hathras, he will go visit people in Gujarat, and he is now going to the Manipur state again, sir, for the third time. Yes, sir. Rajagopalan sir, last comment.
And moreover, Rahul Gandhi should visit, Tamil Nadu. Manipur ka BJP also visited local leaders. Why should the Congress spokesperson deny himself? Why should Congress spokesperson is silent on Tamil Nadu, Kalakurchi? 70 people died. Why he is silent? Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been visiting other places, not Tamil Nadu, because it is allied. Tamil Nadu is DMK. Yesterday, this Armstrong was killed, BSP leader. Why come Mr. Rahul Gandhi मुंह पर zip लगाया क्या? Why Rahul Gandhi is not?
So the messaging that is going across, the BJP calls it selective sympathy. However, Rahul Gandhi and when it comes to the Congress saying that all of these areas that have been neglected, the people that have been neglected on part of the centre, Rahul Gandhi only seems to be giving the centre and the government a reminder that when it comes to strife-torn state of Manipur. Thank you very much, Saif Khan ji, and to you, Rajagopalan sir, for joining us here on the Morning News.